Exercise 6.2, question number 10. The difference between two selling prices of a t-shirt with profits of 4% and 5% respectively is rupees 6. Find CP of the t-shirt, SP of each t-shirt. It means cost price of both t-shirts are same. So first of all we will let the CP of one t-shirt is equal to rupees X. First time profit percent is given, P1% is equal to 4%. We can find selling price for first t-shirt. Selling price of first t-shirt is equal to cost price plus profit. Cost price plus profit. For this we have to find firstly profit. Now profit percent is given, but we have to find firstly profit. Profit 1 is equal to 4% of CP. Profit is on CP. Now 4 by 100 into X. It means 4 by 100 X. Now CP is X. Profit is 4X by 100. 100 is LCM. 100X plus 4X is equal to 104 by 100 X. In second time profit percent is given 5%. Same. First of all we will find profit in rupees. 5% of CP, 5 by 100 into X. It means 5X by 100. Now selling price of second t-shirt, SP2, is equal to CP plus profit. CP is X, profit is 5X by 100. 100 is LCM. 100X plus 5X is equal to 105X by 100. Now they are saying the difference between two selling prices is 6. According to question it means difference is given 105X by 100 minus 104X by 100 is equal to 6. Take LCM. 105X minus 104X is equal to 6. Cross multiplication. 105X minus 104X only X. 6 into 100, 600. Value of X is 600. What is X? Cost price. Now we let the CP of one t-shirt is X. It means CP of one t-shirt is equal to rupees 600. What we have to find in second? They are saying to find selling price of both t-shirts. Selling price of first one, that is 104 by 100X. X is 600. Fill the value. Zeros cancelled. 104 into 6 is equal to rupees 624. Selling price of second t-shirt, that is equal to 105X by 100. 105 by 100 into X is 600. Zeros cancelled. 105 into 6 is equal to rupees 630. Question number 11. By selling a chair for rupees 900, a retailer lost 10%. For what price should he sell it to get a profit of 10%? By selling a chair for rupees 900, it means selling price of chair is given. SP of the chair is equal to rupees 900, but he got loss of 10%. We can find cost price of the chair. 100 into SP by 100 minus loss percent. 100 into SP. SP is 900 and loss percent is 10. 100 into 900 divided by 90. 90 ones are 90. 90 tens are 900. 100 into 10 rupees 1000. It means cost price of the chair is rupees 1000. But they are saying na If he want profit of 10%, then find the selling price of chair. CP into 100 plus profit percent divided with 100. Cost price is 1000, profit he want 10%. 1000 into 110 by 100. 10 rupees 1100. It means selling price of the chair will be 1100. Then he will got profit of 10%. Question number 12. Monica bought 100 chickens each for rupees 80 and sold 20 of them at a gain of 5%. At what gain percent must she sell the remaining chickens so as to gain 20% on the whole? From first 20, when he sold 20 chickens, he got profit of 5%, but he want 20% profit on total 100 chickens. First of all, we will write what is given. Cost price of one chicken is equal to rupees 80. This is given. Then cost price of 100 chickens will be 100 into 80, rupees 8000. Now CP of 20 chickens, because he sold 20 chickens now, 20 into 80, that is equal to rupees 1600, and she got profit of 5%. We can find selling price of these 20 chickens by using the formula CP into 100 plus profit percent divided with 100. CP is 1600. 100 plus 5 divided with 100. Zeros cancelled. 16 into 105, that is equal to rupees 1680. Now she wants profit of 20% on whole. To get profit of 20% on whole, first of all we will find SP. CP we know, we have find the CP from the starting. As CP of 100 chickens is rupees 8000. Now profit is 20%, we can find SP. CP into 100 plus profit percent divided with 100. 8000. 100 plus 20 divided with 100. 2 zeros cancelled. 80 into 120 is equal to rupees 9600. This is selling price of 100 chickens. Now remaining 20 she sold, remaining 80 chickens. CP is equal to 80 into 80, that is equal to rupees 6400. SP of 80 chickens. SP of 80 chickens is total SP is 9600 and SP of 20 chickens is 1680. We will subtract and we will get SP of 80 chickens. SP of 80 chickens is this and CP is 6400. SP is greater than CP, it means profit will be there. Profit is equal to SP minus CP. SP 7920 minus 6400, that is equal to rupees 1520. Now we have to find profit percent. Profit by CP into 100. Profit 1520 by 6400 into 100. 2 zeros cancelled. Divide 1520 with 64, we will get 23.75%.